that all of you are doing great. Well, there has been a lot of talks regarding this particular crypto coins, the GNS network. And basically, this is sitting at $34 million fully diluted market cap and really has a promising potential. And in fact, to the extent that it is even qualifying the numbers game. Like when you are just ignoring the fact that the bull run is going to bring a massive amount of investors and stuff. The only thing that you are focusing on, the amount of volume traded onto this desk, the amount of profit that they are making, even that is qualifying for the future 100x potential. So goes without saying, this is one of the great opportunities to get into this particular coin. If you are actually planning to invest, you do not want to miss the next big DEX, the trading desk that is actually generating the revenues. And GNS network is one of them. And in fact, in the entire 2022, it has gained more than 600% in its value. That means when a lot of other cryptocurrencies tanked 80%, 90%, this particular cryptocurrency actually rose from 60 cents to 3.5 cents, that it is $3.5 that it is sitting right now, which is approximately 600% gains. Now the GNS network sitting at 34 million fully diluted market cap, and to our surprise has already had $19 billion plus all-time traded volume, and it is one of the fastest growing DEX that is even enabling the leverage trading. There is a normal trading where you buy the spot position as an investor and people happen to make the fees, the exchanges happen to make the fees, and then the same exchanges even offer this leverage trading feature. But the trading by itself is a short-term thing. That means you consistently buy, and then when the price rises or falls based on your trade, you sell it. And then when you apply the leverage trading, that means let's say you have $100, you're doing 10x leverage, you are purchasing for $1,000. That means you are paying 10 times more fees, and when you're selling it, you're paying the fees again. That means the fees generation mechanism for the leverage trading increases exponentially for any exchange. That was not possible for the normal DEX, like when you're talking about quick swap, pancake swap. And this one is actually providing the leverage trading. And to my surprise, they only had 250 traders so far. 250 traders have generated $19 billion plus of trading volume already. And the total trading fees that has been generated by the exchange is $13 million. Just imagine. And their market cap is 34. So this is the amount of fees that they have generated. This is the amount of not just the revenue, this is the amount of profit that they have generated. And $34 million is their market cap, only 3 times. Like if you actually do the evaluation, sometimes like it is 40 times at least the profit that the respective trading DEX has made. So this is quite a promising DEX, guys. And in fact, a lot of people, when they'll see, okay, January it was 60 cents, right now it is $3.5. I mean, I would rather buy something that has already dipped in price. Yes, that's a good move, but there is a good indication why the price has incremented, because those investors know that it has a great potential in the future. Just imagine 250 traders have done this much amount of $19 billion trading volumes. Just imagine when the traders rise to 1,000, 10,000, what is going to happen? So if personally, I have personally not invested into it yet, but I will be investing it because I'm already invested into a lot of the coins, but I will be right away investing, trying to find out opportunities to invest into this particular coin. Why? Because I can literally see a clean 100x by the next bull market. If they keep on growing at the pace that they're growing, the amount of trading volume that they're generating, by the next bull market, probably 50x is definitely on the cards, if not 100x. Because they will be blow off top and then $3 billion market cap. And the best part, one of the best part, the fully diluted market cap and the normal market cap is same. That means you do not have any further token releases, just like a lot of other coins which just plunged in value because of the token releases. Now the GNS network is a decentralized trading platform where users can trade cryptos and forex with leverage. Leverage refers to utilizing borrowed capital to trade cryptocurrencies or other financial assets. According to its white paper, the platform aims to create decentralized finance ecosystem of the future. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. And obviously, watch the video completely till the end. In the end, there will be quick instructions. How can you win one full Bitcoin from us, that too completely free. You just have to sign up to the exchange via our link. So watch the video completely till the end. Now coming back onto the GNS network. Now further, this GNS and DAY pool, the user can access this pool only on the Polygon mainnet and gets GNS reward and DQuick rewards for the staking their LPs. DQuick, often known as Dragon's Quick, is the asset obtained by depositing Quick tokens into the staking contract, and the trading fee already been discussed. Now let me just open one of the article that was related with this. The next big perpetual platform on the Polygon network is the GNS network, and it is a decentralized, as we can see further, like the definition classification. The first product, G-Trade, allows the massive on-chain leverage up to 50x for US stocks, 150x for cryptocurrencies, and 1000x for forex market. So we are not just talking about the crypto, guys. Are you able to see what kind of potential this might be having? And already it is bringing the traders. Now it has the key features like the unique trading engine, accurate pricing, guaranteed stop loss, competitive fees. I mean, the thing that surprises me most is that all this is happening. I mean, guaranteed stop loss and all these features, like, which is going to be helpful for the people. Okay, coming back onto the thing that surprises me, that this is right now the bear market, the depths of the bear market, and the last 24 hours trading volume was $24 million. I mean, that speaks volume this is going to get the traction. When the bull market comes, significantly the trading volume is going to increase, the traders are going to increase, the profit is going to increase, and certainly the price of the token is going to increase. So definitely this should be on your list if it is not already, and that is the reason I wanted to convey to the people and to my audience so that they take the maximum advantage of this. The low cap gem tokens, which is revenue generating, the mass adoption enabling, the DEXs, which are always in use for the exchange and have a unique feature of leverage trading that they offer. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that you liked it. Watch the video completely to see how can you qualify for the one full Bitcoin. Comment down below, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and until then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.